In this video, I'll show you how to solve a trigonometric problem involving two right triangles. This is question 2. The question reads, a helicopter hovers 700 meters above a long straight road. Ahead of the helicopter on the road are two trucks. The angles of depression of the two trucks from the helicopter are 50 and 30 degrees. How far apart are the two trucks to the nearest of a meter? So we need to find out the distance between C and A and C and D. Over here is the first truck and over here is the second truck. We're also told, which is not shown in this diagram, that the helicopter is hovering 700 meters above. So it's quite easy to find the distance between C and A. All you have to do is use trigonometric ratios. And namely, if we take 50 degrees as our reference angle, we're looking for the adjacent. We have the opposite and we're looking for the adjacent and we have an angle. So that means we can use tangent. Tangent of angle A is equal to 700 over the distance between C and A. And of course, we would replace this A with 50 degrees. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's solve for CA. To do this, we'll multiply both sides by CA. Watch what happens. This side, the CA cancels out. On this side, we have an unknown variable multiplied to a number is equal to 700. So therefore, CA is equal to 700 over tangent 50. Now, if your teacher has taught you another way on how to solve for this unknown variable, feel free to use it. Just as long as you get the same answer at the end, that's what matters the most. So I'm going to take 700 and divide it by tangent 50. Make sure your calculator is in degrees. It's very important. And we end up with a distance of 587.4. 587.4 approximately. And that is in meters. So we just found the distance between the helicopter and the first truck, which is denoted as CA. Next, we need to find the distance between C and D. Now, try to ignore this line. And if you do, you'll end up with another right triangle. Another right triangle with the same type of scenario. Take a look. We have 700 as our opposite. Our angle is 30, so once again we're going to use tangent. Tangent at 30 degrees is equal to 700 as your opposite, and your adjacent is the distance between C and D. Using our calculator, we end up with 700 divided by tangent of 30 gives us a total distance of 1,212.43. 1,212.43 is the distance between C and D, and that's in meters. So let's make sure that we've answered the question correctly here. How far apart are the two trucks to the nearest meter? So we haven't answered the question fully. What we haven't done yet is subtract the distance from here to here and the distance from here to here. This will give us the distance for AD. So let's go ahead and do that. 1,212.43 minus 587.4 using our calculator. Subtracting this from 587.4 gives us an answer of 625.03. So therefore, the distance between the two trucks is 625.03 meters. And there you have it. That is how to solve a trigonometric problem involving two right triangles.